Hi, good evening, everyone, one and all who are present here. So I'm here to to talk about my company, Zara FX. Zara FX as a company we started 5 years ago, wherein we have reached 43,000 plus portfolios in the market space, and we have 10,000 plus IBs in the market space. So as I'm here to talk about the copy trading technology can influence trader community. So the main thing is while choosing a broker, we need to look a few things. The main thing which we choose, like where here all the companies are doing with the same business with a slight here and there modulations. But as in Zara FX, we step ahead towards the client, and we educate the clients. We let their knowledge of trading, where their money are and how they can grow their money. So we educate the clients. We sit on the table, we discuss the thing, we educate, we give provide knowledge to the clients. So basically while choosing a broker, we see these things, payout and pay in. So like what would be the payouts, what would be the pay-ins, what is the time frame that they fix for the payouts and the pay-in, and transparency as I have told you to discuss the transparency, the client where he have invested. So if a trader, he have a knowledge, if it is a layman, if he is from a different field, so if it is 10,000 or 10 millions, so losing a money, it's bad about that, bad word mouth about the company. So the main thing is we would be transferring transparency to the clients, so where we reach and we educate them, and customer support. So we support our clients, so whether it is a losing or winning, so we support them in that such way. So we have so many repeated customers who comes to us. And diversification, we have above 900 plus instruments in our platform, wherein they can diversify their portfolios, where they can reach out. And so what is copy trading? So basically, if a trader can trades well with his fundamental technical, so we has copied the trades. As I told, if a layman, if he is from a different field, so we educate them to copy their trades with the best trader, so who have the knowledge of a trading. So where the master can trade, other rest all can copy their trades. They can invest and they can start earning with that thing. So copy trading, investor can copy their trades from the several signal providers simultaneously. So he can copy the signals with the several traders simultaneously. Investor can subscribe and unsubscribe from the signals provider with the help of without help of a broker. He can subscribe and he can unsubscribe without any help of a broker. And subscription and unsubscription can be made within a seconds by the investor without approval of a trader. So we don't need any approvals of the trader. So we can unsubscribe and subscribe. Investor can subscribe and unsubscribe with that. And deposit, withdrawal are immediately on the investment and the master accounts. So deposit and withdrawals will be in their investor account. So we don't need any again approval on that. Investor can partially or fully closed off money manager. So he is only the responsible. Wherein if he have a little bit knowledge, or if he have a knowledge where he can close his position, where he can close his money manager. And what is copy trading? Basically copy trading, a master trades and a trader or investor can copy their trades. And benefit of a copy trading in individuals. So little to no knowledge in copy trading. As I told, if you have a little knowledge, as we told, like if he's a different field person, if he's a layman, so we educate them, we guide them what is trading, where his money is, and how he can grow his money gradually. So we educate the clients, and can be used. Meanwhile, diversification, individual can look into the capitalized in those financial market that they are currently invested in or do not participate in all. So diversification, if a person, if a trader have a knowledge about the CFDs, so he can diversify his portfolio into the indices, he can diversify his portfolio into the stocks. So we have such options. We don't need to sit and wait, so we can diversify our portfolio gradually, and no need to do technical analysis or news betting. So we don't need to give a time. So investor don't need to give a time. So wherein he can sit and he can like just copy the trades, and opportunity to choose trade who has to copy. So we have options wherein we can choose whom to copy, and risk ratio can be that. And benefit for the traders or the master, depending on the performance, can attract more subscriber. Like if a trader is well trader, so he's trading with a good portfolio, good like funds, and he is getting a better profit, a better losses, better technology. By thing we can get a more subscriber. It is a benefit for the master who is a trader, and master through trading can attain their profit accordingly to their trades. So he can decide the profit ratio, he can decide the loss ratio, wherein he have a fully access of that, where he fix the profit according to their trades, and can explore their trading skill. Definitely, like if the master is a well trader, so he can explore his trading skills with a better way, with the better funds. And profit distributions, again, if the master need to keep the ratios, so he can keep the ratio as a profit distribution. And profit sharing time period, wherein if he need a weekly basis, monthly basis, he can fix the profit time period. So there is a option in that too. And allocation and position in the social trading, investment account and master accounts are separate account, as I have guided early. So we don't need any portfolio management or something. So we have to just go for our investment account, and we have to copy the trades. So in investment accounts and the master accounts are totally separate, and trades that opened in the investment account don't affect master accounts, and the trades which are investment account that doesn't affect any in the master account. If an investor have any wrong trade, that doesn't account with the master trades. In social trading, only proportionally and equity X ratio allocation method is available. Risk ratio is equal to 1 by default and can change in their account subscription in the web. Like risk ratio we have, so by that, so he can fix his risk ratio, and he can exit or he can unsubscribe anytime. So as I have told early. So why choosing copy trade of Zara FX? As I told, like we have diversified our businesses which support Forex, wherein we educate our clients. We let a layman or person who is from a different field, let them, and we sit on the table, we educate them, so where their money is and how they can grow their money. So gradually, losing and winning is a part, but the thing is, like we support in that level. So that's how he can choose for Zara FX. So definitely percentage fixation we have, profit and volume fixation we have. We give easy processing CRM, wherein we have a CRM that is easy to process, that is easy to very accessible. So like he can do with easy way, and safe and secure for the traders, and diversification trading method. So wherein he can, as I told, diversified his trading method with different way. So where if he as going with the CFDs, he can go for a commodities, he can go for a indices. So he can diversify hid his portfolio into other methods. So that's all. So we have a counter. So visit our counter. Thank you.